That looked cool. It wasn't going that high up though, huh? Look at that beast right there. Look at that motherfucker. Do it right there, yo. Dude, it was cool. Wait till you see this shit. Ooh, gripping too much. Yeah.
Maybe with the parts where we already rutted it up right there, right? He's like, yeah, now the time.